There are technical innovations appearing in the textile industry every day to make production more efficient and to lower costs. But some of these new technologies are aimed at creating a more sustainable industry. Designers need to understand what these technologies can do and what role they play in creating cleaner systems and products. In yarn production, regenerated cellulose is bringing textile manufacturing into the 21st century, using wood pulp to create high-quality fibre in a closed-loop system. We may even be able to grow fibres from bacteria in the not-too-distant future. And additive technologies like 3D printing are being trialled to print new textile fibres from a powder, which could reduce waste. In the textile manufacturing stages, industry is using finishing technologies to reduce environmental impacts, with digital print, laser and nanotechnologies reducing the need for pigments, threads and coatings or adhesives. New online technologies such as augmented reality and social media tools are changing the way products are purchased and manufactured, making a more direct link between consumers and industry. At the end-of-life stage, once consumers have thrown away their old clothes, there are several new recycling innovations to help us make more efficient use of the waste textiles. Infrared scanning can now detect different textile types, making the sorting process easier. The biggest barrier to more efficient recycling is that most of the textiles found in recycling bins are mixed fibres. While there is a new technology that can chemically break down good quality fibres into its different constituent parts, most of the textiles in recycling bins cannot be recycled in this way. But the technology is being tested and is not far off. So, watch this space.